This video training will walk you through the process of creating a new WebAssign course that is linked with your LMS course. To get started, navigate to Course Admin and under Site Resources, select Course Builder. Add a module where you would like your platform course level link to appear and give it a name. We'll call ours Cengage Access and Registration. In the Add Content section on the left, locate the Cengage Content icon and drag and drop it into your module. The first time that you connect, you'll be asked to allow Cengage to access your course. This will allow Cengage to add content links into your course and send selected scores for graded items to your gradebook. Enter your email address and password, and then click Login. Here you'll select the type of product you want to search and add to your course. Homework platforms and ebooks, Cengage Infuse and ebooks, or just ebooks. Once you make your selection, your search will only bring up the products that fall into that category, providing for a more streamlined search experience. To find your WebAssign product, choose Add Homework Platform. You can search by title, author, and keyword. Once you've located your title, click on the Link to Course button to begin the course creation process. If your search comes up with Title Not Found, you may be searching in the wrong category. Simply click the Back to Cengage link to return to the Content Category Selection screen. If you still do not see the title you're looking for, connect with your Cengage account executive or learning consultant. You'll next be prompted to create your WebAssign course. This video will focus on the first option, which will create a new course. Other options to copy your course or link to an existing course will be covered in separate training materials. For the course name, we recommend including the name, term, and any section information. For the class start date, enter the date you expect students to start using WebAssign. If your course requires students to purchase an access code, the date you enter in here will represent the first day of the temporary access period. The course end date is the last date that students can access the course. Finally, select your time zone and then click Continue. Then continue again. Once your link has been imported, you'll be redirected to Brightspace. If you expand your module, you'll now see that your platform course level link has been placed into your module. Let's now navigate to Content and view our link and access WebAssign. You may want to consider renaming the link to something more meaningful to your students. To do this, select the Actions menu next to the course name and select Edit Properties in Place, and then change the title. At this time, you should now navigate to your WebAssign course and begin scheduling your assignments. Scheduling assignments and customizing your WebAssign course are covered in separate training materials. For additional help or resources, please visit our training and support sites.